Hey everyone, welcome back! Today I want to show you one of the most interesting smart locks coming out right now, the DESLOC K140 Plus. Before we get into it, quick disclaimer, DESLOC did send me this smart lock for review, but everything in this video is based on my honest professional opinion and nothing here is influenced or scripted by them. Alright, let's get into it. First, the biggest feature, palm vein recognition. Instead of using a fingerprint or a code, this lock scans the veins inside your palm. That means it's not just fast, now it's also much harder to fake compared to traditional biometrics. And here's the cool part, you don't even have to touch it. There's also gesture-based unlocking, so you can literally wave your hand and unlock the door. Perfect if your hands are full with groceries, tools, or kids. Now let's talk about installation, because this is important. This lock is designed to be very straightforward to install. You're looking at about 10 to 15 minutes and you don't need any special tools. Once it's installed, the setup is just as easy. Using the DESLOC app, programming everything is very simple. You can add users, manage access, and control the lock right from your phone without any complicated steps. Now for the smart features, this lock comes with built-in Wi-Fi, so you can lock or unlock your door remotely, get real-time alerts, and check your door status right from your phone. No hub needed. It also works with Alexa and Google Assistant, so you can control it with your voice. For power, you're getting a 10,000 milliampere hour rechargeable battery, which means long battery life. And if it ever dies, there's a USB-C emergency backup to get you in. From a durability standpoint, it's IP65 rated, so it can handle dust and rain, and it meets BHMA grade 3 standards, which is solid for residential security. Design-wise, it's clean and modern, with a hidden keypad that only shows when needed, so it looks sleek on any door. And overall, this lock is really focused on one thing, making entry faster, easier, and completely hands-free. If you're interested in checking it out, I've got a link for you down in the description. And make sure to use the discount code to save on your purchase. So who is this lock really for? If you want next level convenience, easy installation, and simple app control, this is definitely one to look at. Especially if you're tired of keys, fingerprints not working, or just want something more advanced. If you found this helpful, drop a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.